bug fixes and debug code that makes this little thing. Let's review the code. So in the canonic top-level constant section within the procedure enumerations, we've added a enumeration that debugs the Tileway system. It's number 29, tagged with debug it, because we're using it to debug stuff. In the canonic top-level data section, we have added that enumeration to our A through Z lookup table. So when we do the Konami code and we press the Q key, we're going to activate the Tileway debug code. Inside of the Tileway functions, this function right here is our plot point function. I don't know if we've actually made any changes, but this is the function that creates that pattern you saw at the beginning of the video. Yeah, I don't think we made any changes here. However, right here, we're going to resist the urge to create a shorthand reference to this name, because I do get that this name is very unwieldy, but resist the urge to do this. In the GPU sync function, we made some mistakes. So if we scroll down here, oh, actually, we didn't make any mistakes in this, but we just tagged this with a little tag so I could find this because I was debugging and I ended up here. So we didn't actually make any code changes with how this behaves. We just added this little tag. So my mistake. Let's keep on going. Let's not run out of time here. In the plot all function, I believe we did fix some bugs in here, though. So if we scroll all the way down here, this iteration was wrong. We forgot the plus plus. That part is fixed. And then if we go down here in calc dpx dpy, we forgot to add the diagonal offset in the global tile coordinate calculations. And we also forgot that diagonal offset in the room local coordinate branch of code as well. Then down here, if we scroll down a little bit more, we forgot to add the dirty flag when we initialize our dirty rectangle, so that is fixed as well. Let's go down to the next section. So in the canonic EVT key function that listens for the Konami code, within the terminal key section, we have added support for the new Tileway enumeration procedure. And here's a little diagram of that pattern you saw in the beginning of the video. Here's a shorthand reference to the function we're going to use to plot everything. And here's where we're actually making that pattern right here, okay? And then we're going to plot all, we're going to GPU sync, and we're going to reset all, and that's how we get our nice little pattern. So here's what we did previously. We got some footnotes and stuff. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are here. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name's Kanji Coder.